everyone. Today is World Cancer Day. So it is a really very beautiful occasion to invite and welcome to a real cancer warrior. And I would like to invite Mr. Mangesh Wagh from Mumbai. Let us see how he has tremendous results to cover each and every stage of cancer. Mr.
Hello, I am Mangesh Wagh. I am 67 years old. Exactly 3 years and 8 months back, I was diagnosed with prostate cancer. I was really shaken up because as you all know, cancer, that C is a dreaded word. I didn't undergo any further treatment like radiotherapy or chemotherapy, but I was very fortunate that someone introduced me to Dr. Swati Giri at that time. She took my Nadi Pariksha and told me that, look, your metabolism rate is way below the desired level. But at the same time, she told me not to lose hopes. She said that now you are my patient, I will take charge of your case. So what I did on that day, I handed over myself to her and I told her that now you take care of my disease. From that day onwards till today, she has been constantly monitoring various parameters of my health. In fact, you will be surprised to know that she has traveled today all the way from Nagpur just to check up on me, just because this was not possible for the last 10-11 months due to COVID. During this entire period of 3 years where I am under her care, she has been giving me medicines such as Suvarnakalp and few other things. But mind you, medicines is one major part of the therapy for cure of cancer. The second equally important part is the nutraceuticals. These two complement each other. You just can't have nutraceuticals and forget the medicines, because medicines trigger your inner mechanism towards cure, and then nutraceuticals helps you to balance the various other nutraceutical parameters in the body. It gives you immunity from other diseases, at the same time any kind of dreaded metastasis, which is a known result of cancer for any organ of the body. In my case, I must tell you, I very recently underwent a detailed full body PET scan, and the scan result clearly shows that beyond my prostate organ, this particular dreaded situation, this disease hasn't gone anywhere else in the body. And this is primarily, and in fact only, because of a great combination of medicines and nutraceuticals which Dr. Swati Giri has been prescribing for me.
Which nutraceuticals you have taken?
Nutraceuticals which I have been taking are curcumin. They also contain
Magnesium nutraceuticals.
Magnesium nutraceuticals of various types, including curcumin, C-care, cumin, and the various. I take it religiously as per her advice. And what is most important here, and that is applicable to I think the entire doctor community, is with the love and affection with which she looks after you, adds that much desired value to her medicines and nutraceuticals, so that a patient is able to derive the maximum possible benefit of the treatment. Today I'm speaking with you 3.5 years after the first diagnosis, and I can say this with confidence that I owe my life to Dr. Swati Giri, and I owe it to her that today I'm speaking with you with so much confidence and looking forward to many more years of association with Dr. Swati Giri. May not be as a doctor because she has already cured me, but as like it's she's like my daughter. That is the way I am sure she treats and connects with most of her patients. So I would urge you that do meet her, be very honest and transparent with her what your real problem is, and then hand over yourself to her. You will get cured. Take my word for it.
And you would like to suggest nutraceuticals from Magnesa and Suvarn Kalpal as well, right?
No, I would very strongly recommend, because the medicines given by Dr. Swati Giri and the supporting nutraceuticals, which increase the nutraceutical value of your body, which increases your immunity strength to everyone who's suffering from any kind of medical or physical challenge.
Thank you so much. On the occasion of this World Cancer Day, I would like to congratulate to become total free from cancer disorders.
Thank you and God bless you.
Thank you so much.